Let me talk about how to spy on your competitors' ad today, and it's going to be brief and precise and straight to the point in 3 minutes. Now, this is a competitor of my business, e-commerce, or to learn more what they are doing so you know how to do it better. The simple way to learn, so you can go to facebook.com stroke arts library, or you just search for Facebook arts library, and you're going to see that. You go and scroll and see the kind of arts they are doing to get to see the kind of contents they are posting, but it does not give you the detail. This one is going to give you the detail. I'm using mobile, so I'm going to go to the three dots up here, and I go to why am I seeing this ad. Then now they're going to tell you why you're seeing the ad. Easy way is trying to reach people on Facebook that they think are interested in the interests now in e-commerce and online advertising. You can click forward to see more about what they are targeting. You see their target e-commerce online advertising, so you have to pick this one. This is something that they are targeting. Maybe if you don't know who to target, you can get that one also. So we'll go back to why am I seeing this ad and see more details, the kind of people they are targeting. Easyway Cameroon is trying to reach people ages between 18 to 60. That is their target audience, and they're trying to reach people whose primary location is Cameroon. So you understand this thing. This is how it works. You can also learn from competitors how they design their ads. You see how they design their ads to know pricing and everything, so you know the lane through which you are going, if you're going on a good lane or not. So this is simple as ABC. Thank you. I hope this video taught you a lesson today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll keep on giving you these things once in a week. God bless you.